How to create squeeze pages for the highest conversions. The squeeze pages that you set up for your visitors to sign up to your list are critical to the success of building your email list from scratch. Your squeeze page needs to be professional and appealing to the visitor and compel them to join your email list. In later videos, we will show you how to get visitors to your squeeze pages using free and paid methods. Getting a ton of traffic to your squeeze pages is one thing. Converting the most visitors possible to email subscribers is another. If your squeeze pages are not up to the job, then your conversion rates will be low. 1. Squeeze page building tools. Your squeeze page is the page that your potential email subscribers will visit before they join your email list. We recommend that you use some kind of squeeze page builder to create these pages. If you are technically minded, then you can use a great free WordPress plugin called Elementor to create your own squeeze pages. This will take time for you to learn. You can learn to use Elementor once you have started to build a good-sized list and you are making money from it. When you are just starting out, it is essential that you do things as fast as possible. Get a professional-looking squeeze page out there as quickly as you can and drive traffic to it. This will help to keep your motivation high for list building. If you have a WordPress website, then there are themes and plugins that you can get to help you create professional-looking squeeze pages. There are some free plugins available, but the best option is to make an investment in a theme like Optimize Prize or Thrive Themes. You can get premium plugins for the creation of great squeeze pages too, such as InstaBuilder. An alternative way of building your squeeze pages simply and easily is to subscribe to a service such as ClickFunnels, Leadpages, Kartra, GrooveFunnels, Instapages. What these services provide is a very easy way for you to create highly professional squeeze pages that will increase your chances of conversions. They all provide drag and drop squeeze page tools and plenty of templates for you to choose from. Take a look at what each service offers and choose the one that best suits your needs and budget. 2. Join your email list or leave. When you create a squeeze page, you want to give your visitors two choices. 1. Join your email list. 2. Leave the page. What you don't want on a squeeze page is a lot of other links for your visitors to click on. There are a couple of exceptions here, such as your terms and conditions and privacy pages. Make sure that these pages open in a new tab so that your main squeeze page is always visible until the visitor closes it. 3. Benefits. We have mentioned before that it is not easy to get people to provide their email addresses these days. You need to convince them that they will benefit significantly by joining your email list. It is all about the benefits and what's in it for them. You need an enticing heading and subheading on your squeeze page. These will persuade your visitor to read more. We have found that providing a list of the major benefits of your incentive provides the highest conversions. It is also a good idea to tell your visitor why they will benefit from being a subscriber to your email list as well. Provide a strong call to action just above your opt-in form. Keep your squeeze page as simple as possible and minimize the number of words that you add to it. If your headline, subheadline, and bulleted benefits do their job properly, you will not need to add a lot more text. You want your visitor to make a quick decision here. 4. Add your opt-in form. You will need to include your opt-in form in your squeeze page. As we said before, we recommend that you ask for the first name of the visitor as well as their email address. There will be a submit button at the bottom of the opt-in form, and you need to make this large and add a benefit in text to it. How do you create an opt-in form? This is easy to do from within your autoresponder service account. First, you need to create a new list, and then you use the opt-in form creator, sometimes called a web form, to create your opt-in form. Services like Aweber and GetResponse will have templates that you can use for the creation of your opt-in form. These are really not necessary, as all you need are the two input boxes, name and email address, and the submit button. Just use the plain form builder to create this. When you have created your opt-in form, you will have the option to copy the special code that you will add to your squeeze page. Smart squeeze page builders can actually directly connect to your autoresponder service and automatically add your form details to the page. It is no problem to copy the opt-in form code into the appropriate place if this is not available. You need to tell your autoresponder service what you want to happen when a visitor enters their details into your opt-in form and clicks on the submit button. We recommend that you send them to a page on your website where you will explain that they will receive an email from you and that the download link for your incentive will be in this email. A lot of marketers make the mistake of adding the download link to the incentive on this page. Don't do this. You want them to open the first email that you send out and get the download link from there. If they provide a fake email address, they will not get the incentive that they want. 5. Add an image of your incentive to your squeeze page. It is highly recommended that you create an enticing image for your incentive. We will discuss this in more detail in the next video. This will work best if it is included inside your opt-in box or just by the side of it. You can move this image around and test your conversions with it in different positions. 6. Add all of the legalities. To comply with the various laws and regulations about email marketing, you will need to add a link to your privacy page and your terms and conditions page. The rules change often, so make it your business to keep up to date with everything. We also recommend that you add a message at the bottom of your opt-in form or squeeze page telling your visitors that you will never sell their email address and how much you hate spam. This is not a legal requirement, but it will make your visitors feel comfortable. In the next video, we will discuss how you can create an enticing incentive for maximum conversions.